So just click here where it says become a clicker, and right here it will show you that you will earn 5 cents to 10 cents per click, and you will see that this will add up super quickly. With just one click of a mouse, you can earn money instantly just by simply searching on Google. It's pretty insane to think that by simply searching on Google and clicking on links, you'll be able to earn PayPal cash without any application, no videos, and no additions. You can receive your money as soon as you earn $5. So if you are someone who would like to get paid simply by clicking links in Google, then this will be a treat for you because I will show you exactly how you can do that. This money making method will be super quick that you can simply do in your free time to earn some extra cash. Make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. For step number 1, I want you to head to Google. If you didn't know already, Google is the largest and most visited website in the entire world. Hundreds of millions of people visit it and use it every single day, and I'm sure that you're one of them. So now let me show you something. Let's say we were searching for any local business in any part of the world, like cafes for example. And don't worry, you won't have to contact any of these businesses. You also won't have to sell anything either. All you need to do is click on links. But before I show you how to do that, I want to show you something really quick. Let's say you want to eat at a nearby cafe. So you search for a nearby cafe on Google. You will then be given many results on Google of local nearby cafes. And you're likely to pick one from the first page on Google at the very top. Most people are very unlikely to go to the second page on Google and beyond. So all of these cafes that are on the second page and beyond are often getting very few clicks and therefore losing a lot of revenue because the vast majority of people are just clicking on the links on the first page. This is exactly why huge companies and businesses are willing to invest millions of dollars just so they can land on the first page of Google in order to get significantly more customers in the long run. This process involves this technique that's known as search engine optimization, also known as SEO. When an individual searches for a term, search engines like Google will use SEO to determine how valuable a website is and how high they can rank it. For example, if you were to search for a term on Google, click on a website, and stay on that website for a few minutes, Google will deem that website as a good website and rank it much higher on Google. And since Google is the most used search engine, businesses are willing to pay a lot of money to be at the top of their results. Okay, now let's continue on to the second step. I want you to go to Google and search Mozilla Firefox. I want you to then click on this link here and download and install Firefox to your computer. When you click this link, it will redirect you here where I want you to click this button that says download Firefox. If you don't have or use Firefox already, there's no need to worry because it functions the same as Google Chrome or any other reputable web browser. But for this video, it's super important that you install and use Mozilla Firefox because the method we will be using for this strategy is exclusive to this web browser. After you've installed Mozilla Firefox, I want you to head back to google.com, but on the Firefox browser that you just installed. I want you to search SERP clicks in Google and click enter. Then just click this link right here that has serpclicks.com as the URL. After you click the link, you will be redirected to this page here. This website functions whereby people will boost their rankings on search engines like Google by using SERP clicks. As you can see here on their homepage, it says grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. So you can see that these people actually provide real clickers and ranking services as well. So let's say you are someone who owns and runs a business and you want to invest a portion of your business budget on search engines so that whenever someone searches for your type of business, your business will appear at the top and will therefore get way more customers. So what I want you to do is scroll to the bottom of the page and click where it says become a clicker because that's exactly what you will want to do to make money. That will then redirect you here where it will show you that you can earn between 50 cents and 10 cents per click. Below that states that the minimum payout threshold is $5. That will equate to about 50 clicks, and that's pretty great if you ask me. Then next, what you will want to do is scroll to the bottom and click where it says click here to join the network. That will then redirect you to the registration page where you will want to fill out any and all required information. It's completely free and will work anywhere in the world. So you'll just want to add your email, a password, your PayPal email. So that means that you will need a PayPal account because that is how you will collect your earnings from clicking. Then you will want to confirm your PayPal email, then just click submit to complete creating your free account. So you will need to install the SERP Clicks extension for a Mozilla Mozilla Firefox, as you can see here. So this will not work for Google Chrome, only Firefox. So make sure you don't try this on Google Chrome. So click on the SERPclicks browser extension, which will then allow you to download the extension. That is how you will be earning money. Once you have the extension added to your computer, you will be able to begin earning money. Adding the extension should take just a few seconds. So just a quick heads up for you, after you've earned $5, SERPclicks will automatically send you the money at the start of every month. So if you were to not reach the minimum payout threshold of $5 by the end of the month, your balance will just carry over to the next month. So overall, if you're looking for a new way to earn money with websites that require you no prior job experience and very low effort, I think SERPclicks is one of the best websites you can use. But if you're looking to actually earn money that can replace your job and give you a full-time income completely passively, click the link in the video description below to watch a free training program to teach you exactly how you can do this as a complete beginner. It's my favorite way to make money online. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.